Not all one-to-one resins are the same. Understanding thickness is the simple secret to choosing the right formula. When you match the resin to the project, everything just clicks into place. The main difference is viscosity. Craft Resin Tabletop is a high viscosity coating resin. It's thick, it moves slowly, and it stays exactly where you put it. This formula is engineered to sit on a surface and dome perfectly at that 3mm mark. Trying to make fluid art with it is like painting with cold honey. It's possible, but it's not going to be pretty. It just won't move gracefully. On the flip side, our art and craft resin is much thinner and more fluid. It flows into corners and releases bubbles quickly. Using this thin resin to coat a board is like frosting a cake with syrup. It just slides off the edges and refuses to build any thickness. Gravity wins every time. You have to pick the right tool for the job. Use Tabletop for high glossy coats on serving boards, trays and countertops. It's built for high impact durability and stays crystal clear even on surfaces that get a lot of use. On the other hand, choose art and craft resin for moulds, coasters and pigment blending. Its thin consistency lets colours move and mix beautifully. Neither resin is better than the other, they are just designed for different goals. Tabletop is for the perfect finish, and arts and craft is for the creative details. Tabletop is for thick coats, arts and crafts for fluid art. It's that simple. If this finally explains why your resin behaves like honey or syrup, share it with a friend.